You see, they drained all the water out of the canal. They'll probably go through the whole Narathiwas all the way until Rama 3. Good morning. I'm again here at the Chong Nonsi Bridge. I was here a little less than 2 months ago to film the new bridge that opened again, and I also wanted to give an update then about the Chong Nonsi Canal. Like a couple of weeks after I filmed that, they started with the part of the construction, so I want to give an update about that. By the way, this is the BRT station, which is a dedicated bus line. But I'm not here for the BRT, I'm here to show you an update about the Chong Nonsi Canal. They started constructing a 200-meter stretch, and this 200 meter of the park should be ready by Christmas. So that's actually quite fast. And they are doing all the drill work now. It's only a small part that they are constructing now, so only 200 meters. So I guess it's kind of a trial. And the whole track will be 4.5 kilometers. There's a few restaurants here where people come and have lunch. There's a few office buildings in this area. Yeah, let me take you to the bridge over there, and from there you have a good view how the project looks now. Yeah, the reason why I know about this, first of all, is Art gave me a heads up. And second of all, I got some information from Richard Barrow. And I actually never talked about Richard Barrow, but I think it's worth mentioning him. If you are looking for news updates, Richard Barrow is an Englishman who's been living in Thailand since the time of the dinosaurs, it almost looks. No, but Richard has, he tweets a lot. And what he does, he keeps an eye on the news and then gives an English version about all the Thai news. And for me, he is the go-to channel if you want to know anything about Bangkok. So a big thumbs up for Mr. Richard Barrow. And you know what it is, nowadays you have so many YouTube channels that are trying to be news channels as well. And I'm always realizing that I have to be careful as well. What I do is I just film what I see. And I see a big construction going on here. So I will edit some pictures to give an idea how the final project should look like. You see, they drained all the water out of the canal. So it's going to be 4.5 kilometers long park. They'll probably go through the whole Narathiwas all the way until Rama 3. Yeah, so here in front, this is the Chong Nonsi area. In the back there, you have the Mahanakon, or the King Power Tower. It's very cloudy at the moment. You know, to be honest, we had some quite shitty weather lately. Cloudy the last couple of weeks. And normally around this time, the raining season can be over, but you never know. So let's hope soon we're gonna get the sunny skies all around. And this is also good for my real estate business, because I prefer filming with nice weather. It gives a better idea on how the apartments look. So here you have the BRT bus coming through. And normally they have this dedicated line here, but obviously it's middle of the construction now. Yeah, so this should be ready in within the next 2 months. I've seen the construction at the Pinjakiti Park, and I know that they can do it really quickly. So here the bus is jumping into the lane. And this bus lane goes all the way to Talat Plu, and it's almost the function is almost like a kind of metro train because it has a dedicated lane. I will upload this video as soon as possible, and in a couple of days we are going to Koh Chang. I have something to celebrate, but I will keep you guys informed about that as well. We're gonna stay in a nice hotel there. It's gonna be the hotel that you can see in the introduction of our of my global travel mate. I will make a specific video about that as well. So I will go and take my bicycle and ride along Narathiwas Street a little bit to show you how long this park is gonna be, or part of it. So see you on my bike. And I just realized that it is actually already pretty green here. So this is an example of a BRT station. This is Akan Songkro. And you can buy a ticket, and you see you have a proper station which feels a little bit like it's a train. So this park is going to be a 4.5 kilometers long walking and I guess jogging or running park as well. But when the first 200 meters is ready, I will definitely be there in December to give you guys an update. Yeah, so along Narathiwas you have several office buildings, and it's just nice to see that this is under development as well. And it's amazing to see how Bangkok is actually creating these green spaces now and these parks. And I'm quite impressed by that. A lot of development going on here. By the way, I just noticed something different. You have all these new bus stations here. And I wanted to make a video about that one time, but I thought let's just integrate that now. Why not? So this is the opposite Macro station. And then you're thinking, where is Macro? Okay. Macro is in here. But these are super modern bus stations. They even have plugs here, so you can charge your, you can charge your phone. And then here you have the board where you have the next bus coming on. It's all in Thai, so it's a little bit difficult for a Falang like me to understand. But anyway, it's good to see how they are making progress with that. Anyway, I think this is a nice place to end my video about the new Chong Nonsi Canal Park that's going to be open soon. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.